Hey, this is Jason with Travis Fam Adventures. We're out at the old woodpile today, and we're going to talk about an easy dollar store alternative to expensive kayak airbags. So hang out with us, and we'll tell you more about it in just a second. Okay, this is my daughter's Sun Dolphin Phoenix 10.4 kayak. It's a pretty good kayak. It tracks straight, floats good, paddles easy, but it has one major flaw that we found out the hard way. It doesn't have any supplemental flotation in the bow or the stern. That's right, she flipped over in waves on the lake. Luckily the water was only about waist deep on her and we were able to walk it back in. But when it went straight to the bottom and filled with water, we knew there was a problem that we were going to have to fix. So I heard about a cheap and easy solution using pool noodles stored in the front and the back of the boat. Let me show you how I did it. I just went to the dollar store and bought some of the 99-cent pool noodles, 4 foot long, a couple inches around, hole in the middle, and cut them into about 6 to 8 inches each length. Some of them I cut in half this way, and these seem to pack down a little better. But what I also did was I bought an Intimates laundry bag, and I put the pieces inside the bag. Here's what the pack looked like. The laundry bag is designed to let moisture in and out, and it's designed to get wet, so staying in the kayak full time does not cause a problem at all. Twix, get out the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Here's how I made it work. She has a huge back hatch on the deck, the rear deck of her kayak. So I undid the bungees, pulled the big hatch off, and I took out about half of the pool noodles from the bag and worked them down inside the hatch. Making some room, leaving the zippered part to the top. Then I took the rest of the pool noodles and worked them down into the bag. And I saved a lot of these half pieces to tuck in to make it fit tight. Then I closed the zipper on the back. Put the hatch cover back in place and reseal it with the bungees. It's that easy. The bag can get wet, the noodles can get wet. Being in the water is not going to hurt anything. I've got about $6 or $7, maybe $8 invested in the whole kit, and now her boat floats. Oh, but what about the front, you ask? I took 2 full-size pool noodles and shoved them up to the point, the very bow of the boat, and wedged them in, and they fit perfectly underneath the footrest to lock in. Let me show you how that works. Here we go into the belly of the beast. They just lock in under the foot pedals and wedge in to the very nose of the boat. My daughter doesn't know it yet, but the next time we go out on the lake, she's gonna flip over and the boat's gonna fill with water. We're gonna test and see just how well it floats with our homemade flotation bags in the back of the boat. Well, that's about it for today, guys. So please subscribe and watch another video. And remember, here at Travis Fam Adventures, we hope that you find an adventure every day. God bless y'all.